Okay, so we're all in Blizzard Beach and it's raining again. We woke up bright and early to get here for when the park opens at 8. We got here and the park opens at 10, doesn't it, Dan? Yeah. So we went to Target, killed some time, and then we got here when the park opened. Had a good day, been on the Raised Liver. And now we're off to the outlet mall. Catch you later. Hey everyone, so we went to Blizzard Beach earlier today and then we went to the Orlando outlet malls, which was pretty cool. I got some Nike trainers for about 50% off just because they're from like 2016 season, so that's pretty cool. And then we went to Downtown Disney, which is like always amazing. They have like World of Disney, which must be like the world's biggest Disney shop. It's so big. Really cool. And then they got this new Coca-Cola store, which was just insane. I don't even like Coca-Cola, but everything with like the Coca-Cola merchandise, the logo, it was just so pretty cool. Anyway guys, off to bed, so see you later.